Welcome. In this video I will show you how to start live streaming on your GoPro Mission 1 camera. First of all, we have to install the GoPro Quik application on the smartphone to connect it to our camera. You can install it from either App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then just open this application. We can continue as guest, go to the GoPro section, tap connect to a GoPro. On your camera, you're gonna have to swipe down, then go to the next page, tap connect device, then tap connect on your smartphone, wait until the camera is connected. Now we can skip the rest of the settings. And to begin the live stream, you're gonna have to tap the three dot icon next to your camera's name, and select live stream, and then select the platform where we want to begin the live stream. So for example, Facebook, then you're gonna have to sign in to your account. Enter your data, and this way you'll be able to begin the streaming in case these platforms regulations allow you to start streaming. And the stream will of course be recorded on your camera. Just select the respective recording mode, so swipe right, select for example video or sport POV or whatever mode you like to use, then tap on the mode's name and adjust all of the settings according to your preferences, and begin the live stream using your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.